In this video, we will see different types of supports. The first support is a roller support, in which there is a roller and there is a member, like a truss member or a frame member, and this is a fixed surface on which this is a roller, which is joined by this pin support to the truss. So these three are the different kind of roller support representation, and the free body diagram we just have to show a vertical reactions, because this type of support does not give reaction in horizontal direction, because whenever there is a movement or force in the horizontal direction, it will translate in horizontal direction, so there will be no reaction force generated on this pin support. So it is free to move on the horizontal direction, but it is bound for motion in vertical direction, so there will be vertical force generated at this pin joint, so there will be vertical reaction at this pin joint. The next support is the hinge support. The hinge support is shown like this, where there is a member which is welded to this fixed support, and there is a pin joint with the frame. So here, if we draw the free body diagram, then we have to show it by a vertical reaction and a horizontal reaction, because whenever there is a load applied, this pin joint will have a horizontal reaction, because there is no motion in horizontal direction and there is no motion in vertical direction, so there will be vertical reaction. So this is how we can show, and we can also show by a single force which is a resultant of both these forces, because both these forces are at 90 degree. So we can use this Pythagoras theorem to calculate this reaction. So this is how we can show for the hinge support. And the third support is the fixed support, and in this fixed support, if we have a vertical wall, or maybe it can be horizontal, but it is fixed wall where there is some kind of beam or something is there, and if we want to show a reaction at this particular location and want to draw the free body diagram of this beam, then we have to show by horizontal reaction and vertical reaction both, because there is no motion in horizontal and vertical direction. Also, it is not able to move with angular motion, like here the pin joint, it can freely rotate with respect to this point, but here there is no motion at this point because it is completely fixed. So we have to also show one moment which is generated at this point. So this is how we can draw free body diagram of fixed support. The next particular type is for particular question of the wall and a ladder, or it can be some member, a slender member. So this can imagine this as a ladder which is placed between these two vertical and horizontal walls. So now this we have to draw free body diagram of this, and this point is A and this point is B. So if we draw free body diagram, and if there is a no friction at the point A and B, then there will be only normal force which are generated at A and B. So this is how we have to draw if there is a no friction. But if the question has, like, there is a friction at point A and B, and there is, if these walls are walls and floor is having friction, then we have to draw at A point we get a normal reaction, B point we get a normal reaction, but additionally from this case we get two friction forces. So Fa at friction forces and Fb at friction forces. So these forces will be in the opposite direction of the motion. So here if friction is upward, so ladder will be moving downward, and similarly if this point is moving on this side, friction will be on opposite side. So that is how we can show, if we are pushing the ladder upward, then the friction direction will be reversed, but normal direction will remain same. So this is how we can draw free body diagrams of different supports. It will be very useful in different kinds of questions. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.